Hey, I have 3 ways to make your connection private using the free VPN. First, go to Google and search Psiphone 3. Open this website. You will see different versions available for Android, Linux, but we need for the Windows. Click to save this application. Go to the folder and run the application and connect it. Our VPN is connected successfully. Now let's check the IP address and our location. You can see IP address is Denmark, which is not real. Second way to use free VPN. Go to your browser and open the extension option. Click on the left option and open the Chrome Web Store. Now search Browsec. Add this free VPN extension to your browser by clicking Add to Chrome. Now pin your extension and click on Start VPN to connect it. So it connect us to Netherlands region. Let's check it by searching IP address. You can see my location is changed successfully, which shows it's working. Another way to use fast and free VPN is to download the Brave browser. I am already using the Brave browser. After the download, open browser and press Alt plus, Shift plus, N. It will open the Tor browser, which provide private connections. You can see there are multiple regions to connect your VPN, which is totally free and fast. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.